welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to create this colorful matte blue eyes with a hint of yellow, and I paired it with this gorgeous glossy nude lip, which is perfect for the coming party season, for the festive season. Even you can wear this peppy look during the daytime as well. So I hope you're going to like this video, but before going to that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So I have already moisturized my face as usual, done my eyebrows, and now it's time to do my face makeup. Today I'm skipping the primer. I'm directly moving on to foundation, and for the foundation I'm using Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade BREVE, which comes with a foundation stick on one side and the brush on the other. So I am directly applying this foundation on my face in several stripes, as you can see. Now this foundation blends really well with the help of this foundation brush from PAC in number 003. So I'm just blending this in, and you can see this is a full coverage foundation. The finish it gives is more on the dewy side, but it just covers your blemishes, dark circles, pigmentation, and even skin tone, everything really well. So I really like this foundation as well. For the concealer, I'm using the PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer in the shade 07 Nutcracker, which is one of my favorites since I'll be doing a very bold eye look. So I'm using a very high coverage concealer. I'm putting it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, around my mouth, around my jawline, on my chin, and also gonna prime my eyelids with the same concealer as well. And this is really a long-lasting concealer, guys. It is smudge proof. Even if you sweat, even if you dive into water, this will not budge. This is a really long lasting, and it's a very full coverage concealer. Highly recommended. You can give this one a shot. So I'm just blending this in with the help of the same PAC foundation blending brush, as you can see, and you can see my face is looking really concealed and very nice. Now in order to set my concealer and my foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Finishing Loose powder in the shade Tweeny Light Medium, which is my absolute favorite setting powder. It just filters my face so well. So using the same foundation blending brush, I'm gonna set my concealer and my overall face with this finishing loose powder, and you can see my face is looking flawless and it's looking really nice. So now it's time to do my eye makeup. So for the eyes, I'm using this Beauty Glazed Color Studio palette, which comes with such beautiful colorful shades. At first I am just setting my eyelids and taking this rusty light brown shade from the palette in a blending brush. This is a fluffy blending brush from Arte. I'm gonna blend out the shade all over my crease, as you can see. So take your time and slowly build up the color all over your crease. You can even use a light brown shade for this purpose as well. You can use any light brown transition color for this look. Now I'm going to take this gorgeous matte royal blue shade from the palette and spritzing a little bit of fixer on it in order to reduce the fallouts. Yes, this palette has got really horrible fallouts, guys, so beware of that and try to do your eye makeup at first. So I'm just putting this royal blue shade all over my lid like this. Now I'm gonna mix these two blue shades from the palette, and in a tapered blending brush I'm gonna apply it right in the outer corner of my eyes, drag it towards my crease and blend it with the previous transition shade. Taking the blending brush again, I'm gonna blend out the edges so that everything looks much more even out and nice. Reapplying that blue on my lid again, as you can see, as a little bit of blue has faded off already, so I just need to just increase its intensity, and this is how it turned out. Now I'm going to take this rusty light brown shade from the palette again and apply it all over my lower lash line like this, followed by this royal blue shade from the palette again. Apply it very close to my waterline using a very nice smudging brush from Zoeva. So this is how it turned out. Now it's time to apply some kajal or kohl, and for this I'm using this Chambord Extreme Wear Kohl. I'm going to tightline my upper waterline with this, and for my lower waterline, as usual, I'm going to apply a nude eye pencil, and this one is by Diana of London, which is such a stunning pencil, guys. It just lifts your eye makeup to such an extent that it looks so gorgeous. It helps in opening your eyes and make your eyes look doll-like, and I really appreciate using this sort of nude eye pencil on my waterline. So as you can see, now I'm gonna draw a winged eyeliner, and for this I'm using this Lakme Iconic felt tip liner in the shade black, and you know that I just love doing winged eyeliners. Now for the mascara, I'm using my favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I'm gonna add a good 2 coats of this mascara on my upper and lower lashes. This adds a lot of volume to your lashes, lengthens your lashes, separates your lashes. It just does everything for your lashes. Now going back to the palette, I'm going to take this bright yellow shade in a pencil brush. I'm going to apply it right in the inner corner of my eyes, and you can see guys, this just lifted the look to such an extent. It looks so nice, so peppy, so bright. I have already applied a pair of false eyelash from BREVE, and this is how my eye makeup turned out. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face, and for contouring my face I'm using this LA Girl Beauty Brick palette, which comes with 2 blushes, 1 contouring shade and 1 highlighting shade. At first I'm taking the contouring shade in a contour brush and apply this right under my cheekbones, on my jawline, on the areas where I just need to add artificial shadows to make my face look slimmer, to make my face look a lot more structured and defined. You just need to contour your face to add more structure to your look. I'm also going to contour my nose to make it a little more sharper than before, as you can see. Now using this coral blush from the palette, tapping off the excess, I'm going to apply this on the apples of my face. You can use any coral shade or peach blush shade for this makeup look. Don't use a bright pink one, it will just clash up with your eye look. For the highlighter, I'm using my all-time favorite Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rosegold, which is such a stunning shade guys. I just love it. It has got the best formula ever. So you can see it has got the perfect mix of champagne along with a little bit of rose gold in it, which looks stunning on Indian skin tones as well. So I'm gonna put this on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my nose, Cupid's bow, chin. You know the drill. This just looks so good. Taking the highlighter in a pencil brush, I'm gonna put it right in the inner corner of my eyes to make the yellow shade look a little bit brighter, and also gonna highlight my brow bone with the same highlighter as well. And you can see this is how my highlighted face looks like. Now it's time to apply some lipstick, and for the lipstick I'm using NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Seduction, my all-time favorite nude shade. It is a perfect peachy tone nude having brown undertone, which is suitable for all Indian skin tones, and this shade looks really good with blue or green smoky eyes. So since I have created very bold blue eyes, I'm pairing it with a very nice nude lip, as you can see, and this is such a pretty shade guys. I just love this shade. But today I thought of adding a little bit of gloss on top of this, and for this I'm using this Bella Voste lip gloss in the shade Turf Tan, which is basically a nude lip gloss. It has got such a nice glossy texture. So I'm applying it on my lips like this, and you can see this is just adding such a nice glamour to this look guys. I just love this look, how it turned out. So now it's time to set my face. I have already set my face using this Wet n Wild matte finish setting spray, which I have forgotten to add in this video. So this is how the makeup turned out. So this is a finished look guys. I really like how it turned out. This is such a bright, peppy, colorful makeup look which you can wear with any of your t-shirts and you will just rock it. If you just like this video, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. We'll see you soon in my next video guys. I love you so much. Bye.